Hey guys, we're here. Today we're going to be cleaning the outside of my 2.3 litre. It's for the 2.3 manual swap into my V70 all-wheel drive. It's currently auto and a 2.4. We're going to put this in, but we're going to make it a bit nicer before we do. So last episode we stripped everything off. I sprayed some degreaser around, and now I'm gonna try and clean it. So we'll see how that goes. I might try a different filming method and just like time lapse it. So we'll see how that works out.
I started with just a rag and a screwdriver and quickly switched to a Dremel. There was a lot of grease in this corner, so I just got the screwdriver back out and scraped it until I was happy with it.
Alright, so I've finished cleaning it, and like the GoPro cut off just as I was turning it over to let everything drain out. It's about as clean as it's going to get. It's not perfect by any means. I'm not painting it, but there's still like a little bit of grime here and there, but it'll come off on like the first rainstorm. But I'll get a bit closer and show you what we're dealing with. So, oh, there's a bit of shadowing there, but you can see like in here, still like pretty grimy. And the like down in these, I'll try and get it out of the shadow. It's like still kind of gross there, but then up here we had a heap of gunk, and actually all this was just sitting up there. And like you can kind of still see some remnants on here and up here, but I'm getting sick of cleaning it. It's good enough. It's just like to the point where like I can touch it and my hands aren't black. So that's the cleaning done. So yeah, next step will be putting everything back on. So we'll see how that goes.